Yo, what's up guys, Tito here, and so in this video I'm just going to show you guys what I have running on my Moto G6 Play for Boost Mobile. So let's just kind of start it off. It's pretty much simple and basic. At least to me, it's simple and basic. I don't have a lot of things on here. So for the launcher, I'm using the stock launcher that comes with the Moto G6 Play, so the Moto Experience. And how I have my my quick settings, Wi-Fi and data is right there. Dolby Audio switch on and off is right there as well. Casting to my Google TV, Bluetooth and airplane mode are pretty much what I essentially use the most in quick settings. Like I said, stock launcher, so you get your Google cards right here with all different articles to read. The Moto widget, so it shows you like how much power you have, which by display I'm thinking of about like 75% battery life left. And yeah, so Google Plus, obviously you guys know what that is. YouTube, Google Play Music. I use Play Music. I'm not a fan of the fact that they're wanting to get rid of Play Music in favor of YouTube Music. To me, it's just, I don't know. It's just, I don't know. I just don't know. I prefer Play Music, and I have a subscription to Play Music, obviously with YouTube Red as well. So yeah, I prefer Play Music. Google News, which is actually the combination of the original Google News app and that they merged in Google Play Newsstand. So I have that there. Chrome browser is my default web browser I use. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Periscope, and Twitter is out of Google social media apps that I use. And then I have, phone dialer, Allo for chatting. So if you have Allo, you want to hit me up in chat, and you're cool to do that. Android messaging is the default SMS app for this device, and then Duo for video calling, and of course my camera app at the bottom. So like I said, pretty basic and clean. Beyond that, I have the Android TV remote, so I use my device as a remote control for my Android TV. For the wallpaper, like the wallpaper you see right here, this really cool Android Marshmallow wallpaper. I got it from Backdrops. I use Backdrops for wallpapers, and I actually bought the Pro version of it, and it's really good. I like the wallpapers that you find on here. As a matter of fact, I'll open it up so you guys can see like the different types of wallpapers they have. So you have Wall of the Day, which is really nice. And then they have these minimal abstract wallpapers, and even some minimal animated ones. This is nice. Well, not animated, but animation. And these wallpapers are so cool that if you guys will notice, I even used one of the wallpapers to create an intro. I just think the wallpapers is actually pretty nice. But you have abstract ones right here. If you kind of go here to global, and then you have actual live photo shots for wallpapers you can use. Backdrops is pretty nice. They even have they got packs that you can use. So it's like a Pro pack, which has all these pretty much available. And then you have they call this pack the Trinity pack, which is a bunch of triangles, triforces, and all that goodness. So you have access to those wallpapers in the Pro version. And then they have the Be Together, which is a collection of Android ones. Everything's Google and Android centric in this bundle. And you have all these different ones that you can choose from. So Backdrops is where it's at for me with wallpapers. And the reason why I say that is because I have another app in here that you can get wallpapers from, but I prefer the ones from Backdrops. And you can even, with Backdrops, you can even set it to where it, changes your wallpaper daily. So that's actually pretty cool. Google Drive to store all my files and stuff. And then I have Files Go. This is a very handy application. I've done a review about this app and mentioned it in other videos as well, but really good, and it actually bonds with the Android software in a very, very well-mannered way. I mean, if I also drop down my notification shade, and you'll see right here, storage, Files Go, you can actually have that set in here. So if I wanted to put that there and just kind of let's drop out Dolby Sound, because I'm not going to actually be switching that off anyways, and then we'll leave it at that. So you see right here, you can actually just go into that and get straight into Files Go instead of having to go to the app itself. So you can integrate it with Android. But yeah, it's a very good app to maintain your storage space and free up unneeded files that you don't need. So I recommend Files Go by Google. FM radio, I really don't use it, but it's there to have. It's nice to have it. It does require a headset, earbuds, or something to be plugged in to be used as an antenna. Gadget Guardian, I don't really use it all that much because I use Find My Device from Android, but it's nice to have a security app. Gmail for emails, of course. I always wonder why they don't ever get rid of the Google app if you have Chrome. Because what would be the need of having just a Google app on there? I mean, everything's basically centered around Google on this device, obviously. But anyway, maps, you know, to navigate, which I'm pretty good at navigating without the need of maps, but it's there if I ever need it. So we have Google Photos. That's my my photo picture album. See all my photos that I have on my device as well as what's backed up to the cloud. Play games because I play games, so you know, you want your account there so you can manage your account. Play movies. I have a collection of movies that, you know, I like to take with me on the go, so I have them. Play Store obviously is with every Android device. Pokemon Go is the game that I'm playing, and I don't care if you guys think it's childish or whatever. I like playing it. I have my banking app, which is simple, and you guys can see Snapchat, and then there's Google Wallpapers as well. YouTube Studios, so I can comment back to you guys and also just manage my YouTube account. And then I have Zedge for ringtones and notification tones. Even though you can get wallpapers from Zedge, I prefer backdrops for wallpapers. But the other cool, awesome thing about Zedge, though, that I want to share with you guys is the fact that you can actually theme your icons. So, let's see, where is it at? Or did they take that away? Because you used to have it. So you have keyboards, games, widgets, notifications, ringtones, wallpapers. What's premium? I guess they took it away. You used to have it. It was actually a beta thing. Well, they have widgets now. That's like beta. And it's centered around widgets. It's kind of sad though, because I liked it when you could actually theme your icons. Maybe I'll try some of these widgets out just to see how they kind of work out. But nonetheless, yeah, you have access to widgets now that you can use on your home display. So, but that's, yeah, like I said, it's pretty basic, guys. That's pretty much it for what I have on my Android device. Nothing really spectacular, special. Just, you know, basic things that I use on a day-to-day. So if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know by dropping me a like. And yeah, this will be the what's on my Android for May and June of 2018. I'm not going to make another video in June about this, but maybe like in October, if anything changes, I'll probably make another one. But until then, if you just subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for doing so. I really appreciate it. Hit that bell option so you guys know when I upload a video. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Aloha.